Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12. In a fast-moving world, balancing priorities can be a daunting task. But fear not, because AI is here to enhance your time management skills and make things a little easier. Today, we'll explore AI-powered hacks to make the most of your time in 2025, whether you're a student or a professional. Imagine if your calendar could automatically prioritize meetings and reschedule appointments based on your availability. So, buckle up as we delve into the AI tools that are revolutionizing how we manage time and tasks. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. First up, let's talk about AI-powered scheduling assistants. Think of these as your super-powered personal assistants, minus the coffee runs and awkward small talk. These AI assistants take scheduling to a whole new level. Your AI assistant steps in, analyzes your schedule, and automatically prioritizes meetings based on importance and deadlines. Got a conflict? No problem. It'll reschedule appointments, considering everyone's availability. These AI assistants can learn your preferences over time, scheduling deep work sessions and nudging you to take breaks. And the best part? All of this happens seamlessly in the background. Say goodbye to scheduling nightmares, and hello to a more organized, efficient you. Next up, we're diving into the world of task automation software. Remember all those tedious, repetitive tasks that seem to suck the life out of your day? Well, get ready to kiss them goodbye. We're talking about platforms like Zapier and IFTTT, tools that connect different apps and automate workflows. Imagine this: a new email lands in your inbox, and Zapier automatically saves the attachment to your cloud storage and notifies you on Slack. Think about it. How much time could you save if you automated just a handful of these repetitive tasks? Now let's get real for a second. We've all been there. You start the day with the best intentions, but hours vanish into thin air. That's where intelligent time tracking apps come in. We're talking about apps like Rescue Time and Clockify that work silently in the background, tracking your every move. These apps don't just track your time, they analyze it, providing you with detailed insights into your productivity patterns. They'll tell you when you're most focused, which apps are your biggest time wasters, and even suggest strategies for improvement. Armed with this data, you can identify areas for improvement and finally take control of your time. Let's talk about distractions for a moment, those pesky little things that derail our focus. Whether it's an endless stream of notifications or social media's siren song, distractions are the enemy of efficiency. But fear not, because AI is here to save the day once again. Enter the world of smart notifications and reminders. These are intelligent notifications powered by AI that understand your priorities and deliver information at the right time. Smart notifications cut through the noise, ensuring you never miss a crucial deadline or important update. It's like having a personal assistant who knows when to interrupt and when to let you work. Finally, let's talk about the big picture goal setting. Setting goals is easy, actually achieving them, that's a whole different story. AI-driven goal setting and progress monitoring tools take the guesswork out of achieving your dreams. These tools analyze your past performance and current workload to help you set achievable goals. They track your progress in real time, providing you with visual dashboards and insightful reports. It's like having a personal cheerleader, accountability partner, and strategic advisor all rolled into one. So there you have it, folks. AI isn't just changing the world, it's revolutionizing how we manage our time and achieve our goals. From AI-powered scheduling assistants to task automation software, the future of productivity is here. To maximize the benefits of AI time management, incorporate these strategic approaches into your day-to-day activities. Tailor your AI tools by setting personalized rules and schedules that fit your unique lifestyle. Regularly review performance insights provided by AI time trackers to adjust your strategies. Automate mundane tasks to free up valuable time for more critical projects. Subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more strategies to enhance your productivity and achieve both academic and professional